Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now see-through. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can always go into settings instead, scroll all the way down and tap on location section. Lastly, swipe up and click on this switcher next to location access to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!